Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Kathy Jen DIY. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine craft with some little white houses that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I think for about $5.99 each. I thought they were super cute and I knew that I wanted to put them on the glass candlestick from the Dollar Tree. So I brought them home and here they are. They did have a LED candle in the bottom of them, but I knew since I was going to be gluing them onto a candlestick that I wasn't going to be able to light them with that LED light. So I went ahead and took that out and put it to the side for use on something else in the future. And then I purchased a couple of bags of the candy conversation hearts at Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and started gluing them on. You can see on the little white houses that they already have the pattern with the hearts on the roof. So I went ahead and started gluing them on with my little glue gun, trying to make sure that I spread the colors out. I didn't have very many choices of heart colors, so I tried not to put the same colors next to each other. I went ahead and put hearts on both sides of the roof. And I went ahead and tried to find maybe a bigger heart that would fit into the open heart area on the front of the house. And then I used this, I found this gingham pink and white checkered ribbon, a roll of it at Dollar Tree. So I figured I would put a little pink and white bow on the candlestick, give it a little added extra touch. Haven't really mastered my bow making skills yet, but I'm trying and I am getting closer. I'm feeling a little bit more confident in my bow making abilities. I love doing the dovetails. I think they look super cute. You always just have to make sure which end you're dovetailing or which way you're dovetailing to make sure that you get a dovetail and not an arrow. Lord knows I do that all the time. I embellished the center of the bow with a little tiny candy heart, and then I went ahead and glued that onto the front of my candlestick that I had already spray painted white. Set that to the side. Now these lights are lights that I purchased a few years ago. At Halloween time, I have floating witch hats in my house, and these were originally purchased to go inside those witch hats, but they didn't work quite right. So I've had them for quite a few years, and you just have to pull it up and down, and the light goes on and off, as you can see the example. And I had purchased some of the wooden heart pieces at Dollar Tree in a package. And so I went ahead and took the stickers off the back using my heat gun and a scraper, my Cricut scraper or Cricut spatula, whatever that you call it. And then I went ahead and glued a heart. Well, first I had to get the light inside the house, and the light doesn't come through the chimney. So it had to go through the bottom, and then I had to try and fish it out. And then once I did that, I pulled the string up through the top of the light and went ahead and glued a glitter heart on either side of the string and cut the excess off. Put a little glue on it there so they would stay together. And then I was trying to make sure that the string stayed in the center of my heart. I put some glue down with my little tiny Surebonder glue gun. And then I glued the two hearts together. This one actually didn't have glitter on it. This one was natural, and I went ahead and left it natural. And then it pulls up the light. And I push that back down to turn the light off, and then I just let the heart sit in the chimney, making it look like there was a heart coming out of the chimney. Then I went ahead and used some E6000 and some hot glue and glued the house down to my candlestick. And I absolutely love how these little houses turned out. They are so super cute. Sitting on my mantle with some of my other hearts, and then you can see they do go on and off with just a pull of the heart at the top. I really do love how they came out, and they're so easy to work. I feel so lucky that I had these lights and still knew where they were. So I hope you enjoyed this craft as much as I did. See you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.